What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got the Enkies back on the white Z. Now I had to take my side skirts off just to even get it in the garage because of this little curb. Definitely scrapes once or twice. You can see the marks, I believe. Alright, so this is going to be an update video basically. So I thought I'd inform you guys what's been under the cover over here this whole time. You might have caught a glimpse of it in the background of my prior videos. But this was mainly just an idea. Me and the homies threw a RB20 inside this BMW e30 vert. That's a 325i. And it did have the manual transmission already. We pulled the motor and the tranny. It was in a front end collision. Looked like he hopped a curb or something, took out a sign. These wheels were on it. Two of them are bent and mangled. This one got a good snag on something there. This quarter panel took most of the damage, so this is a salvage title car. Now we were planning on just throwing a roll cage in it, getting this motor running and driving in it, and just making it a missile car. But it has been just sitting on the back burner lately. I do think it's a pretty good idea. I mean, these are E30s, can look pretty sick with a wide body and some love. And well, we all know about these RBs. They're pretty sick no matter what you put them in. But yeah, just an update on you guys and show you what's been under the cover this whole time. Now both Z's haven't moved much. I've been pretty busy with work and things lately, but I got some more welding done. Now, my welder's a piece of shit, and I'm not the greatest at welding. I ran out of wire, but got quite a bit more welding done on the patch panel. It's looking half-assed decent, but I still have a lot more welding, a lot more grinding to do. That's for sure. But basically, just want to get this quarter panel finished up, sealed up, and pull the motor so I can work on the motor over the winter and put this car back in storage and finish up the bodywork next summer, because I'm going to be focusing on the white Z here right away and getting everything all buttoned up, making sure it's all good to see the dyno. Alright guys, we've all been slacking with the subs lately, so if I hit 1,000 subs, I'll do a fat garage burnie in my white Z. So if you guys want to see that happen, go ahead, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see when it all goes down. But yeah, if we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a fat garage burnie for you boys. So go ahead, hit those subs up. I was looking everywhere for a half decent set of wheels. So I burned the rubber off these ones. And they have to go back on the Z. And I've managed to find these on Marketplace for 200 bucks. They are Euromax design wheels. They're 18 by 7.5. I think they'll actually look good on the yellow Z. I think they'll match the 2000s era look it's got going for it. But 2 of these tires I gotta switch over. But yeah, so let's switch some tires over and throw them on the FRS for now and just see what they look like. Just changing tires here. Y'all just gotta be innovative sometimes. This took me less than a minute to set up. A couple blocks underneath the corner of my deck. One simple little factory jack. Tighten her up. Pop the bead. Bob's your uncle. No tire shop, no expensive tire machine. Quick and easy. Why not? Do it yourself, boys. I got the Euromax design wheels on the FRS, and I think they're gonna look half decent for winter here. Got my winters on the back, got some grip, already drifted with them on. It's actually got good grip while drifting now with the winters on. Alright guys, it's already in the thumbnail I'm sure, so here it is. Managed to pick up this 8-piece Rocket Bunny V1 kit. This is going to be in the works for the spring. I'm not going to be able to get this kit on this car just yet. I plan on running it for a few months in the winter, getting some seat time for sure. I don't want to wreck this kit bombing in the winter, so I'm just gonna spend some time cleaning it up. It does need a little bit of work. There's a few rock chips and a few corners that are cracked, but that's no biggie. I actually picked this kit up for a really good price. I was planning on going wide body eventually, but with the price of this kit, things are definitely happening faster. But I think I'm also going to have to find a set of fat wheels to go on this car now because of the width of this kit. So that's going to take some time to find the right specs and the right set that'll go good with this kit. So yeah, you guys better stay tuned for the phase 2 build of the FRS. I'm just showing you guys, already in the works. We already got parts piling up, so stay tuned for that in the future. But yeah, all my cars have their wheels back now. The white Z's got the Ankies, and the yellow Z's got the stockies back on it. All my cars got their wheels back. Before I even do the wide body, I'm gonna have to find a new fender because it won't even mock up on that. But yeah, we'll get a new fender and then cut it up. A little hesitant on cutting up this car. It's in pretty good shape, but I think once it got the wide body kit on it, she'll all come together and this thing will be sick. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. This was just a quick update video for you guys. Next video, I'm gonna start pulling apart the yellow Z, start rebuilding it, start finishing it off. And I'm not joking, if we hit 1,000 subs, I'll do a fat garage Bernie in the white Z here. So yeah, go ahead, hit up those subs, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more. Peace.